let's start some diesel. Fuck, not this one. This one. Yes, I remember what I said. I don't know, I don't care. Fuck this one. But now I know and I care. And this is the result. Fucking hell. So the problem all the time was EWS. So this is another issue, and this motherfucker is running now. So I'm still fighting to make immo off on this one and another one here. I have one idea more, and we will see. But for now, I'm just too stupid to take EWS off, and I just have to buy ECU. Well, why not this one? Because I still have to clean all this shit here and here, and I have to send the ECU for immo off. I can't do it right now. I don't know how. So it will be a while, but this one I just bought ECU with immo off. Wiring loom I've done. It is pretty simple. I will explain it later, and it's working like it should. Almost everything you need is in engine wiring loom. I think I could trim this a lot, but what you have to do, you have to buy plug like this one. It's 40 pin X6004 and connect like this. This is complicated because I have fuel pump, fan and coolant sensor, and OBD port, but honestly everything you need is pedal. Here it's 6 pins, connected like this, and 12 volt to pin 26, as I remember. Yes, from the ignition, not from the battery like I draw here before, but from the ignition. And things you will need maybe is K-line. I don't remember which pin, 7 or 8, probably 7, to the OBD port, and this is everything. It should start right off if you have immo off. You can't do this, as I know with CAS V2 it's not working. You can't do IMMO off with this. You also can't do IMMO off with MPPS. Maybe with Gelato. I'm waiting for the software. And there is one more way I want to check. So with this IMMO off module, but I must know ESN number from the ECU. It's not so easy to get this. I tried with Tool 32 from BMW. I tried with ISTA. And I'm almost run out of ideas. So I will let you know if this will work with Gelato. And maybe, just maybe, ChatGPT will give me the ISN number of this, and I will let you know. One more thing, here is the temporary switch for brake and clutch pedal. It doesn't matter if it's connected or not. Another one, as ChatGPT told me, I have to put 12 volt on this wire and this wire. It doesn't matter also, as you can see. So only ECU and pin 26 in this plug here.